Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to create the zoom lens and shake video effect in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit, and first you need to add the zoom lens effect. So go to the video effect, click on the lens category, and then in here click on the zoom lens. Now adjust it. You can adjust the speed and also the range like this, and when you're done, just click on a check icon. Now for the shake effect, you just need to go to the video effect again and click on the nightclub and click on shake. Now I'm going to just click on adjust and adjust the speed of the shake. I'm going to just go with 5. Then the intensity, I'm going to go with 10. Click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and thank you.